Hey everyone, ready to ditch the AI hype and get down to some real-world applications?
Sounds good to me.
Yeah, we're going deep on this review of AI income breakthrough.
Oh, yeah, I saw that.
But, we're not just going to summarize it.
Right.
We want to help you figure out,
Right. Yeah,
what's actually useful from this thing.
absolutely.
Like, how can you use this stuff in your work, in your life?
That's the key.
So think of this like
Yeah,
your cheat sheet to AI insights
exactly.
without all of the crazy technical jargon.
I think what's so cool about this review
Yeah,
is that it's not some tech person like bragging about how much code they know.
right.
It's a real person, telling their story.
I love that.
And they start out
Yeah.
talking about feeling completely overwhelmed by AI.
Oh, yeah.
Like they're an imposter
Totally.
at some big tech conference.
It's that deer in the headlights feeling.
Yes.
When everyone's throwing out terms like
Yeah.
neural networks.
Oh, yeah.
You're just like,
Wait, what?
you're just nodding along like you know what they're talking about.
Exactly. And the reviewer even talks about like their first tries at using AI.
Oh, I remember this.
It was a banana bread recommendation system.
Oh, no.
Basically recommended banana bread for everything.
Hilarious, but
No, right?
kind of discouraging.
Yeah, it's funny, but also like, come on.
Makes you wonder if this whole AI thing is really all it's cracked up to be.
Exactly. And that's honestly why this deep dive is so important.
This is where it gets real.
The reviewer's whole experience shows us that
Yeah.
AI isn't just for, the super techie people. Like,
Wow.
they found success by starting small.
Practical stuff.
Exactly.
Little by little, building up their skills.
Yes. And that's where this AI income breakthrough thing comes in.
Yeah. This is the turning point.
It's all about actually using AI knowledge to make your business better.
Putting it into action.
And that's what we're going to break down today.
Let's do it.
We're not just going to repeat what their website says.
Right. We're going to look at what the reviewer actually did.
The specific things they did.
Yeah, what worked, what tools they used.
All the details.
So you can see how you might use these strategies too.
Exactly. No fluff, just the good stuff.
So first win the reviewer talks about is
Okay.
using an AI chatbot for their business.
Chatbots, yeah, they're everywhere these days.
Right. But the key here is they focused on one specific problem,
What was it?
their customer response time.
Oh, how bad was it?
It was like 24 hours.
Oof. Yeah, that's not good.
In today's world, that's like forever.
People expect answers right away.
Exactly. So they used this chatbot
Okay.
and they trained it on their FAQs
It makes sense.
and past customer interactions.
Smart.
And guess what?
Wow.
They got that response time down to under 5 minutes.
Wow. That's impressive.
Right. Think about how much happier their customers are now.
For sure. And probably a lot more leads coming in too.
Definitely.
Oh.
It makes you think, where are you losing time?
Yeah.
Or even customers because things are too slow.
This is a good question.
Could a chatbot be the answer for you?
Maybe. I mean, it worked for them.
It's worth considering.
Definitely worth thinking about.
Okay, so next up, the reviewer tackled
Yeah.
reaching the right people.
Targeting.
Yeah. They were kind of marketing to everyone,
Okay.
but not really seeing the results they wanted.
By shouting into the void.
Totally.
Yeah.
So AI income breakthrough
Mm.
introduced them to these AI analytics tools.
Okay.
They could analyze data from their website,
Makes sense.
their social media, all their customer interactions.
So they could really understand their audience.
Exactly. And it helped them find this niche audience
Cool.
that was already super interested in their health products.
So instead of trying to appeal to everyone,
Right.
they got laser focus.
Yes.
Oh.
And the results were amazing.
How amazing.
A 40% jump in engagement
Wow.
and a 25% boost in sales.
That's the power of using AI to really know your audience.
And tailor your message.
Yeah.
Now, remember how the reviewer was scared of those complicated algorithms?
Oh, yeah. In the beginning?
Well, their third win shows they actually started using them
No way.
to their advantage.
That's a big step.
They got into machine learning for predictions.
Okay, now without getting too technical here.
Yeah.
A machine learning model.
Yeah.
It's basically a program that learns from data.
Right.
You feed it info about past trends,
Uh-huh.
and it tries to guess what will happen in the future.
So for the reviewer,
Yeah.
they used it to predict things like future sales
Cool.
and manage their inventory better.
So no more guessing games.
Exactly. No more having way too much
Sure.
or not enough of a product.
They were making data-driven decisions
Yeah.
that helped their business run smoother and make more money.
It's crazy how the same tech that was scary at first
Uh-huh.
became this tool for making smarter choices.
That's a huge shift.
I think what's really hitting home for me is
Yeah.
this isn't about becoming like an AI expert overnight.
Right.
The reviewer took it slow.
Step by step.
Exactly. Focused on solving one problem at a time and gradually learning more as they went.
It's a journey.
Totally. And that's key.
It is.
It's about finding those areas where AI can really help you.
In your work, in your life.
And then finding the right tools to actually make it happen.
You don't need a PhD to get started.
You really don't.
It's more about having that willingness to learn and experiment.
Absolutely.
And that's what's so great about AI Income Breakthrough. It gives you that roadmap,
Yeah.
breaks down the complicated stuff into easy steps
Totally.
and shows you exactly how to use it.
Okay, so the next thing the reviewer tackled was content creation.
Content.
And I think we all struggle with this.
Oh, for sure.
Like coming up with new blog post ideas
Yeah.
or writing engaging stuff for social media.
It's a constant battle.
Right.
Totally.
So the reviewer was feeling stuck.
Writer's block.
Yeah, staring at a blank page for hours.
I've been...
But then they found this solution in AI.
Oh, interesting.
They started using AI tools to brainstorm blog topics, even generate outlines.
Really?
Yeah, and even get help with, like, introductions and conclusions.
Now, some people might hear that and think, isn't that cheating?
Right.
Like, is it really your content then?
But the reviewer makes it clear they're still the one writing in their own voice and style.
Yeah.
They see AI as a helper.
Like a partner.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Not a replacement.
Makes sense.
They mentioned using a tool that analyzes, like, trending keywords and popular searches.
Oh, so it gives you ideas based on what people are actually looking for.
Exactly. It's like having a research assistant.
That's cool.
Constantly searching for inspiration.
So it's not just random ideas.
Right. It's targeted stuff.
Smart.
Okay. And then there's SEO.
Yes, the dreaded SEO.
The reviewer was intimidated by it at first,
Who isn't?
but AI Income Breakthrough helped them simplify it. They started using AI tools to analyze their existing content,
Okay.
find areas to improve,
Got it.
and even get keyword suggestions.
So it's like having an SEO expert in your pocket.
Right. Telling you exactly what Google wants to see.
And did it work?
Oh, yeah. Big time.
Like what kind of results?
They saw a huge increase in traffic to their blog.
Wow, so you don't need to be a tech wizard to figure out SEO.
Nope. AI can be your secret weapon.
I like that.
Okay, moving on to the fifth win.
Okay.
Optimizing ad campaigns with AI.
Now, this is where things get really interesting.
Right?
Because it's using AI to, like, analyze data
Yeah.
and make changes to your ads in real time.
So instead of just setting up an ad and hoping for the best,
Right.
you're constantly tweaking it.
Based on what the AI is telling you.
Exactly. The reviewer used an AI tool to A/B test different things.
Like what kind of things?
Different ad copy,
Yeah, okay.
images, even different target audiences.
So they could see what was working best.
Yeah. And then spend their ad budget accordingly. And they saw a 30% increase in click-through rates.
That's huge. So the AI is like constantly learning and adapting.
Yes. Making sure your ad dollars are being used effectively.
That level of optimization would take forever to do manually.
Oh, totally. AI makes it possible without being a marketing guru.
That's amazing.
So, speaking of expertise,
Yeah.
the last thing the reviewer emphasizes
Yeah.
is continuously learning about AI.
It's so important.
They realize this field is always changing,
It moves so fast.
and you got to stay ahead of the curve.
Absolutely.
They talk about it like a mindset shift,
Okay.
going from feeling scared of AI
Yeah.
to embracing it as a journey of learning.
I like that.
They started setting aside time each week.
To learn about AI.
Yeah, exploring new tools, attending webinars.
Connecting with other AI enthusiasts.
Exactly. And that's key for all of us.
It is.
AI isn't a one-time thing.
Right.
It's about staying curious, trying new things.
And always expanding your knowledge.
So we've covered the 6 wins the reviewer achieved.
From AI Income Breakthrough.
But there's more. The program also has some bonus stuff
Oh, cool.
that the reviewer loved.
Like what?
The Future of AI ebook
Interesting.
and the Digital Empire audiobook.
Okay.
So the ebook was like a mind-blowing look at the future.
Like what trends are coming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they were especially fascinated by the part about AI in healthcare.
Oh, wow.
Specifically personalized medicine.
Tailored to your genes.
Yeah. It's like something out of sci-fi.
It shows how AI can do more than just business stuff.
Right.
It can solve big problems.
And make the world better.
Absolutely.
Now, the Digital Empire audiobook
Yeah.
sounds perfect for anyone with an online business.
Okay.
The reviewer called it a goldmine of practical tips
For what?
for digital marketing,
Yeah.
e-commerce,
Nice.
and building those sales funnels.
That magically turned visitors into customers.
Yeah. It's like getting advice from a successful entrepreneur.
That's awesome.
And it shows how AI income breakthrough is about more than just AI.
Okay.
It's about using AI as part of your whole business plan.
To get the biggest impact.
So, we've unpacked a lot today.
We have.
From the reviewers' early struggles
Yeah.
to their amazing wins.
And those bonus materials.
What do you think so far?
It's pretty inspiring.
Seeing how someone who was intimidated by AI
Uh-huh.
was able to use it to change their business?
Definitely.
Anything resonating with you?
I mean, it makes you wonder, like, how could I use this stuff?
Right. Anything sparking your curiosity?
Totally. It's got me thinking about all the possibilities. It's amazing to see that transformation, right?
I know, right?
Yeah.
From feeling like an outsider to like rocking AI.
They really embraced it.
And it shows that anyone can do this stuff.
You don't have to be a tech genius.
Exactly. And that's what I like about this AI income breakthrough program.
It's like a bridge
Yeah.
between all that crazy AI stuff
And like actually using it in your business.
She makes AI make sense for normal people. Totally.
No more feeling lost and confused.
The reviewer's story proves you don't need to code
Or be a data scientist.
to use AI to your advantage.
It's about finding the right tools for what you want to do.
Exactly. And that's where the magic happens, right?
Absolutely.
When you suddenly realize, oh, I could use AI for that.
Like for that task you hate doing,
Yes. Or to find hidden patterns in your data.
that could change your whole marketing game.
It's about being open to the possibilities.
And actually trying things out.
The reviewer didn't just, like, read about AI.
They used it.
They tried stuff, they experimented.
And that's how they got those amazing results.
And that's a lesson for all of us.
We got to be proactive.
It's not about waiting for AI to magically solve everything.
We have to explore how to use it ourselves.
The reviewer story shows us that
Yeah.
AI isn't some far-off thing in the future.
It's here now.
And it can change everything.
How we work, how we live.
How we interact with the world.
It's pretty mind-blowing when you think about it. So as we wrap up our deep dive into AI income breakthrough,
Let's leave you with this.
what could you use AI for?
In your work, in your life.
Could you streamline something?
Make your customers happier.
Maybe even boost your creativity?
The possibilities are endless.
Be inspired by the reviewer.
They started with one small step
A willingness to learn.
and a belief in AI's power.
And look where it got them.
So be curious. Explore AI.
Who knows, maybe you'll be sharing your success story next.
Until then, keep diving deep
And keep exploring this amazing world of knowledge.
and innovation.
See you next time.